We'll buy at the close of the trigger candlestick, set a stop loss at the recent swing low, and choose our desired take profit level. This strategy has the potential to yield significant profits when executed correctly. It's not overly complicated, making it suitable for traders of all experience levels. So go ahead and give it a try. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. In the second place, we're going to talk about a trading technique that uses price action and momentum to predict when the market might change direction. It's all about finding those reversal signals with a tool called Luxalgo, which is a special indicator that helps us spot potential turning points in the market. What's great about this indicator is that it works on any time frame, whether you're into quick scalping setups or intraday trading. It focuses on identifying when a trend might be losing strength and starting to reverse, which can be super useful when we want to go against the prevailing market direction. Let's walk through the process of setting up and using this indicator. First, open the indicator settings, and don't worry about changing anything in the Input tab. Instead, head over to the Style tab, and carefully uncheck a few options as shown in the video. You'll want to enable 4 options: perfect bullish momentum phases, resistance levels, perfect bearish momentum phases, and support levels. Once you've applied these settings, let the chart refresh, and then we'll see how to take entries using this indicator. We're using a 5-minute time frame for this example, but you can use it on any other time frame that suits your trading style. For a valid buy trade, we need to consider 2 conditions. First, look for the green line, which acts as a support level. When this line is visible, keep an eye out for a green signal to appear. This is a strong indication that the market might reverse from that point. Enter the trade on a fresh candle, and you'll likely see the market bounce back. Now, the sell setup is just the opposite. Check the red resistance line, and when it's there, wait for a red signal to show up. That's your cue for a potential pullback or reversal point. Jump into the trade on a fresh candle, and observe how the market turns around. But wait, I have a valuable tip to help you avoid false signals. Make sure the market is as close as possible to the support or resistance level before taking action. The closer it is to the line, the higher the chances of a reversal. However, if the market crosses or breaks these lines, the signal becomes invalid, and it's best to avoid taking the trade at that time. It's essential to manage your trades properly with this setup. For a buy trade, set your stop loss just below the support line, and aim for a take profit level near the nearest resistance level.